Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to tie another gele style, and this style is very easy to do. The measurement is 50-50. You're going to take 8 pleats, place in front of your head, cross at the back and bring forward. It is a round base, so watch carefully. Ensure that when you're making your pleats, it's neat. Can you see it? Now we'll go ahead to take one of the flaps and pleat. Now aside the 8 pleats that you made for your base, you're going to bring that one forward, as in you ensure that that 8 pleats comes up to this flap. Then you add 5 extra pleats. In other words, after your 8 pleats, you're going to pleat the remaining fabric. You understand? You're going to pleat everything. Like someone asked before some time ago, if yours, when you bring it forward, if yours is not staying in place, just take one of the pleats and pin to the base. But on a normal day, if you do it well, it's not going to move. But just in case yours is not staying in place, just take one of the pleats and pin to the base. Now can you see how we are taking our pleats? You're going to take it like that all the way to the back. Ensure that your plate doesn't stop halfway. Take it all the way to the back so that it's going to be balanced on both sides. Can you see it? Ensure that your pleat is neat. Then you go ahead to pin down. That's if you're making do with a mannequin head. If not, you just give it to your client or your assistant to hold for you. Then you repeat the same process on the other side of the flap. You get. After that, you go ahead to cross both flaps. So watch carefully. We are almost done with our gele. We are like 70% done with our gele. Now when we are done crossing, we are going to ensure that the pleats are intact. Then the flap that we use in crossing, we are going to pin one to the back, that's to the base. Then the remaining one, that's what we are going to use to form what you're going to see shortly. So just watch carefully so that you don't make any mistake. The gele is very easy to do. Now you're going to go ahead to fold this other flap as seen and pin on top of the pleats that you've made. You understand? Now let me give you another tip. If you don't want to make those pleats on both flaps, you can roll it. It's also, as in, it's going to be fine too. Especially if you're in a hurry and you feel that you can't make pleats properly well in a short period of time, you just roll it, then you go ahead to do this folding that you can see, and I assure you the gele is going to come out well. Another thing, please don't use soft gele. It will not stand. That up stuff that we are doing, the thing will not stand. It will, and it is even going to look somehow. Now after we are done, we'll go ahead to cover the back properly and neatly. We're like 90% done with our gele. Anybody can rock this style. You can even pair it with your, according to some people, goggles. You can pair it with your sunglasses and also your brush that's in front of that stuff that we folded. You understand? So it just depends on how you want to accessorize it. I hope you like this style. I can see that it's very popular. So when you're done, just give me feedback on how it looks on you. If you watched up to this extent, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Now we go ahead to make finishing touches. Oh shit, look at our beautiful gele, very nice and classy. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.